What's going on, everybody? All right, so I was thinking about getting rid of these printers, but also there's something special about these that I like. In that, actually, these could probably always be fixed and repaired and maintained, even if you had to completely change the print head and all that stuff. Um, so the only reason that I want them gone is because they're kind of in my way, which is the same reason that I got them because he didn't want them. Kostin didn't want them in his way. Uh, but I thought, well, you know what? Maybe there's enough parts here to like just kind of like homebrew like a Core XY printer. I mean, like, is that possible? Could we like take two of these and build a Core XY printer and like, like a copy of a voron or something? I thought about that. I was like, I always thought like the voron printers were like some kind of open source thing. Um, and I guess they probably are, but I guess you buy them in kit form, but maybe some people download the manual and build their own. Um, and I don't really know, but um, boy, if you were going to build a custom printer, this would be a pretty good start. So basically, have these two that are just like, for me to use them, they're just too slow. If I was going to be printing a bunch of stuff and making money, I would probably put them to work because when you have multiple printers, it doesn't matter. Um, this one over here is kind of the same story. It's actually a little more advanced, but actually a little more old in some aspects. It has an older computer, and it's very proprietary because it's made to run a filament dryer. But I mean, dual Z screws and all that stuff. Probably not the best design in the world, just because of how much real estate it takes up with that thing sticking out there. But I thought, man, these are all pretty much almost the same. I think all the extrusions are the same. And good quality parts on them. This one's got adjustable belts and stuff like that. This has a lot of upgrades on it compared to the other one. It's just running that goofy 8-bit computer. But you probably could make one of these print fast just by putting klipper on it and then, have a usable printer. I think maybe print head might be the problem on these, Hot end can't get fast enough. I don't know. But, I mean, they're like literally very similar. So, I was thinking about that. I'm like, that would be a fun project. Because if I give these to a newbie that doesn't know how to 3D print, unless I'm constantly helping them with it, they're probably not going to figure it out. I only figured it out because my friend gave me these and spent about an hour or so to explain it to me and was available to answer questions to me all the time. And that I'm very persistent. But, I mean, without his help, I wouldn't have figured it out. I don't think I would have. I mean, I would have had to have, like, I don't know. I definitely would have hit a lot more roadblocks. Let's put it that way. So, and there's printers nowadays where, like, they're a lot easier for people, but yeah, I don't know. But I was just thinking it would be kind of fun to build some custom Core XY printer. I've never had a Core XY printer, and so these ones here, if this was the only printer I had, that would be great. It would still do what I needed to do. It just takes a really long time. Like I went to go slice a print on this. It was 4 hours. And then I sliced the same thing on my Neptune 4, and it was 1 hour. So, I mean, that's kind of where you're at. You're going to be printing, basically 50 to 100 millimeters a second on these. Anything faster than that, and you're just having problems. So I don't know if it's the printer's computer, or I don't think it's the physical hardware. If it is, it's the hot end. But I mean, the SV07 is a roller. It's all roller. And it prints fast. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. What should I do with the printers?